My name is Aaron from Anamosa, Iowa. I came to Dr. Morio for full arch, 6 implants on the top and 6 on the bottom. For as major of a surgery as it was really no sweat. I went to work the next day. The teeth I have now are actually better than my original set, even if they were in good condition. I can talk, I can chew, I eat anything I want. The staff here at Dr. Morio's was very professional. They get you anything you need to make sure you're comfortable. Dr. Morio is one of the nicest surgeons I guess I've ever met. I would absolutely recommend Dr. Morio. It was a great experience.